The exact thing that's dying is the thing that big channels industrialized. Let's talk about the replacement strategy. Number 1, opinion and analysis, not how to do X. Here's what everyone gets wrong about X and Y. No, take the stance. The stance is the moat. Number 2, experience and story. I did the thing, here's what actually happened. Wins, failures, the weird middle. Receipts beat advice 100 to 1, literally. Number 3, results breakdown. Yours, your students, your friends, your family, your whatever, walk through a real outcome with real numbers. It's the only format AI structurally cannot fake because it requires something to have actually happened. And the litmus test before you can make anything, paste your video title into ChatGPT. If it can write your script, don't make that video. If it can't, because the video needs your life in it, that's the one that you can make. When you put this prompt into your AI and tell it to write this script, it's gonna try. You have to remain objective and read it and say, this is mine or this is not mine. If it can write your script, don't make the video. If it can't, because the video needs your life in it, that's the one you make. Your teaching doesn't disappear, by the way. It moves inside of the stories. You still teach through what happened and not instead of it. So, identity first, story-driven content second. One question left. Where does this pay off hardest? Because one platform just rebuilt its entire algorithm around exactly this kind of content, and it quietly handed small channels their biggest edge in a decade. And almost nobody noticed either. That's the next video. All my coaching and free tools and resources can be found in the description below. You can also find it at theamplifiedcreator.com. If you want help building out your content, I'm here to help. Please let me know by commenting down below, and I'll see you in the next video.